Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Check it out. I got a tool review here. I want to show off this GearWrench Serpentine belt tool. Part number is 3680D. These have been out forever. If you don't own one and you've been struggle busting through some of the jobs that you come across, these things actually help quite a bit. It's a ratcheting wrench on one end, solid on the other. Comes with a variety of both box end and open end sockets, as well as, and like that's a rarity, but that's for Volvos older, like 93 through 97, I think, or 98. Use that, and not very common. And then of course for leverage, you have the extension, and you can put that on there and a lot of different angles, so you can have it so it fits. It really just is a huge time saver, and it's a great tool. So let me take you over to the car. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. And mine's a 14, you see, you can slide it in there. It is also, if you see, sits in there, you can see the size of the socket. Sits in there really deep. Pretty cool, huh? Let me show you how easy it is to pull a belt off with this thing. So the first thing you gotta do is figure out which way you need this to turn. In my, flip it around here, and that's the way I need mine to turn. Then you're gonna slide that down on there until it fits. Then you hold that with one hand. Now let me move the camera up a little bit so you can see that better. Right. Once you've got it in place, then you can use the extension. Find a spot that fits for that. And look at that. Look at how easy that is, right? And our belt's out. Sometimes with a 14mm combination wrench, you can struggle your way through that for ages. So there it is, an ultra short video on a tool that makes a job take a whole lot less time. I'm making videos on these tools that I've owned over the years in order to help new techs know what to buy and what to pass on. This is something that I would say buy it. It's actually a really great tool. It's not terribly expensive, and of all the versions of serpentine drive belt tool removers that I have seen, this is the one that actually gets the job done the easiest. It's the most comprehensive, and it really doesn't take up a ton of room in your toolbox. It's not a huge long tool, and it doesn't have a bunch of weird fittings. It's just a really nice compact kit. That'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.